Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Mallard 5 Mama. Today we are going to do a day in the life. We've got a couple things going on. Kayleigh's birthday is on Saturday, but my grandma is going out of town, so she is not going to be able to be there Saturday. So we are going to go celebrate with her this evening, and Kayleigh would like to make her birthday cake. So we're going to show you that. We are having our Dinnerly delivery today, so I will show you what we got and how it was packaged and everything. We're going to start school here in just a couple minutes. I just have to get the table cleaned off and everything from breakfast, so stick around. A dime is worth how much?
10.
10. So this is 10, and pennies are worth 1. So 10,
1,
11,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15. So you have 5 pennies. So we are going to trade them in for a nickel, which is worth 5.
5.
It's the same thing. A nickel is the same thing as 5 pennies.
What about a dime?
A dime is 10. So if you have 10, a dime, plus a nickel, which is 5, that is 15. So you have 15 cents.
I want to put them in.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I did not put them in.
All right. Kayleigh is playing a game where she is matching the upper and lowercase letters. And Kayleigh is going to be working on phenom segmentation, putting together the sounds in a word. So say I say, what are the sounds in cat? She needs to tell me k-a-t, cat. So that's what Kayleigh is working on right now. Pig. Pig. Try. Yes, very good.
I was thinking about it.
Now Kayleigh is marking her vowels, and when she's done with all of that, she is going to read the words.
Ten. 10. Hens.
Good. 10 hens.
10 hens.
Good job. All right. So Kayleigh is learning to read. She's 4 years old, and she is starting to recognize the short vowel sounds. That's what she's working on right now. So, what is that? What does that say? Ah, good. What does this say?
E.
It's an E, but
Mommy,
it says
your head, here. Like
for
A.
like elephant.
Elephant.
What's this say? It's an I, but it says good. What is this?
What's this?
Like Indian.
Like Indian.
Ah, good. Like ostrich.
Ostrich.
And this
that doesn't have no other feet. Bed.
Good job.
And they have long neck.
They do have long necks.
Mommy.
Okay, what does this say?
Mommy.
Hang on just a second.
Oh.
Give me 5! Good job!
Mommy.
All right, little Miss Kayleigh Ann, who's going to be 6 on Saturday. You ready to make your birthday cake?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do it. Yeah, we're gonna bring this cake to Jesus. Here. All right. Good job.
I'm Jason.
Betty Crocker Super Moist Party Rainbow Chip. Matters. Hey, vegetable oil.
And I'll put it in.
Got it? Good. Eggs. You're gonna do the eggs? All right. Uh-oh. That's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Dump them in. There you go. Put it all up.
Thank
Do you need help? Here, I'll stir it for you.
How are we gonna eat it?
I'm gonna bake it.
You can't bake it in this thing.
Yes, I can. Okay, so we are pretty much finished with everything for the morning. I got the dishwasher unloaded and loaded, and it is finishing up right now. I got a load of clothes in the dryer. We finished school, and Kayleigh's cake is in the oven. So I thought it would be a good time to kind of talk about the kitchen. You saw it earlier. It's no surprise. It's very ugly. No one dislikes this kitchen more than me. The color scheme just makes no sense with the red and wood cabinets, the brown countertop, but it doesn't make sense financially to, you know, paint the cabinets. A few of them are broken, so it doesn't really make sense financially to paint all of this to, you know, they have the countertop, you know, paint to make them look really nice, but it's what we have right now, and it will eventually be my dream kitchen. Once we get our siding on here in November, things will start, CJ will be able to focus on the inside of the house, and that's when things will really start to get done, and you'll really start to see a transformation in this whole house, and I'm so excited to show you all of that because it's going to be awesome. Just took the cake out of the oven, and it looks like Miss Kayleigh Ann did a pretty good job. Now, go ahead.
Hello guys, I'm gonna ice my cake. Sorry for moving it off.
You're doing fine. Made mostly by herself. Why don't you just go wash your hands? Alright, we just received our dinnerly order. Now, usually it comes in a different box, and it says dinnerly and has a bunch of other purple writing on it. But our really nice FedEx lady said that they've been having a lot of trouble with HelloFresh and dinnerly boxes leaking. So they had to repackage mine, and she made me open it while she was standing there and make sure that all of the ingredients looked okay, and it did. So just to show you, it's kind of heavy, but it comes in this really well insulated cardboard material. I'll show you the recipes that I will be making with this. I got orange beef stir fry with snow peas and steamed rice. crispy parm chicken fingers with broccoli and barbecue ranch dip, and seared chicken and broccoli with mashed potatoes and gravy. Now, since this is shipped on a Wednesday, I usually will freeze at least one of these meals and make it like on Monday or Tuesday. That way I kind of space out. I got 2 chicken recipes this time, so I'll space them out. But there's 2 bags of broccoli, potato, some breadcrumbs, some oranges, must be for the orange beef. There's chicken breast and ground beef. They are still really, really cold, so those are fine. Barbecue sauce. Oh, here's the snow peas. Some sour cream and Parmesan. Ooh, jasmine rice. And, it's not a clove. I don't know what that is. Teriyaki sauce. It's a head of garlic, I'll say that. Ranch. More sauce. I think that is ginger. Yeah. So that's the ginger. I'm sure that's for the stir fry. Here's the rest of the beef and the chicken. All super cold and good to go. Okay, so you just saw all of the ingredients that I got for my dinnerly recipes. Something that I wanted to talk about was the difference that I found between HelloFresh and Dinnerly. I have gotten 1 HelloFresh box so far, and this is and I put a stop to that not long after. It wasn't that it wasn't good. The recipes were good. There was just a lot of, I don't know, fancier meals that my kids weren't going to eat, my husband wasn't going to eat, and a lot of spicy options, and I don't like spicy stuff. My husband has heartburn, and my kids won't eat spicy stuff. With Dinnerly, I found that most of the recipes are things that I would make anyway. You know, if I had just found it on Pinterest, I would make that. It's stuff that, you know, my kids and my husband will eat, so nothing is going to go to waste. Also, with Dinnerly, you get 3 meals or recipes a week instead of the 2 for the same price. So HelloFresh was the same price as Dinnerly, and it was 1 meal less. So that made a big difference for me. What I will say about HelloFresh, at least the last time I got it, was it was super well insulated. Super well insulated. It was delivered and we weren't home, and it sat on my porch for 5 hours. And when I brought it inside after I got home, everything was still completely frozen. I was really impressed. Dinnerly is not as well insulated as HelloFresh. Now, I met my FedEx woman at the door, so, you know, I was able to bring everything inside immediately, but I would not have wanted to leave that out on the porch for 5 hours. It would have gone to waste. Now, if it was insulated as well as my past HelloFresh box, it would have been fine. But my FedEx woman, why she made me open it up is apparently, from what she says, they've been having a lot of trouble with HelloFresh. The boxes are leaking. It smells like, you know, rancid food. And with the way that these boxes are, they are shipped, you know, the next day. So, or delivered, or whatever. So it shouldn't be that long, and they shouldn't be gross. It's just about 9:30. We just got home from church, and before that we went to my grandma's and celebrated Kayleigh's birthday. Her cake turned out really, really good. I was so proud of her. That's today's video. I'm exhausted and the girls just went up to bed. Caitlin was asleep when we came in, so it is time for me to go get ready for bed. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.